We had one large earthquake in the Kamchatka in the Russian Far East. My colleagues in the Russian Institute of the Geophysics in the Kamchatka have published 7.2 magnitude as far as I have seen so far. This is part of the Indo-Pacific Ring of Fire. We have earthquakes and subduction in this area. You can see the purple line shows that area. And volcanism actually happening in that peninsula. The earthquakes are due to the subduction in the trench created by that. The earthquake caused some damage to the properties inside the home. Anything that houses, anything what was not well attached to the wall. For example, TV, they have Persian carpet, beautiful. It must be rich. It has fallen on the floor. And there is a tsunami warning also all across the Pacific. That is the area that commands all the Pacific. Before that, we had the Shiveluch volcano having a huge eruption, dust scattered all along the surrounding areas. This is the volcano erupted last year, and we had a spectacular views of this eruption. This is the earthquakes and also the lightning. We can see that, of course, they're far in distance. They're not close together. That is in land, and the earthquakes was in the sea. Tsunami warning is quite possible. Also, you can see that the ashes are spread there everywhere. This is not a snow. This is ash. Watch.
Августа, время 2 часа ночи, нахожусь на мосту через реку Кабеку. Визуально выпал слой пепла около 2-3 миллиметров. Видно, что идет дальше теплопад. Запах гари в сторону Шевелыча. Туда смотрю. Ничего не видно, но обильно падает. Снова у нас теплопад, и снова вот он, тот самый пепел. Следую дальше.
See, it is a summertime. The guy was wearing a t-shirt, and yet we had ash, something like a snow, scattered all across. I have the video about the importance of all these earthquakes and how they actually create tsunamis. This is an interesting video. Please watch that. This is from one of my previous videos.